Hello traders, I'm Luke from Disciplined Trader. In this video I want to give you an idea of how much money you will need to start trading. I'll briefly go over the options available to you and then I'll show you how you can work out how much capital you will need to start trading. So if you want to trade with real money, you can actually start trading with amounts as little as £100. But as I'm sure you've guessed, the returns will be proportionately small. Even if you manage to return 50% of your account in 1 month, which would be a huge return, this would only equal £50. However, the losses will also be small, which can be good for newcomers as it can give you a taste of what trading with real money feels like without risking too much of your overall capital. Bonus. You can now also trade for free, as most brokers offer demo accounts whereby they give you some virtual money and you are able to trade the virtual funds on the real markets and profit and loss as you would when trading with real funds. This is good for complete beginners as it enables you the time to get to grips with the mechanics of trading and how to use your charting platform, amongst other things. However, some traders do find it difficult to get to a stage where they are ready to start trading their real full capital after trading solely on a demo account, as it can remove the emotions of trading with real money, which is one of the big hurdles on your way to trading success. With that being said, you may be wondering how much capital you would need when you are at the point where your trading is consistently profitable. Well, the first question you need to answer is how much money do you want to make from trading? You may be aiming to make a little extra money each month, or maybe you want to replace your monthly salary, build a retirement fund. Whatever your goal is, you need to give it a value. That could be £100 or £10,000. Once you have decided on this number, you can start to work out how much starting capital you will need. The other figure you need to decide on is what percentage return you think you could achieve each month. This needs to be a realistic figure in order to give you an accurate starting capital amount. You may not make this percentage every month without fail, but it wants to be a percentage that you feel over the course of many months will be the average return you can achieve. Once you know this, we can calculate the amount of capital you will need to get started. If you don't know how much you can return per month, then please don't worry. I have met a number of successful traders in my time trading, and each made different amounts of profit. I have seen traders that consistently make 1% per month, and I have seen some that claim to consistently make as much as 20% per month. For the purposes of working out how much money you need to start trading, I think a consistent 2 to 5% return per month is achievable for most seasoned traders. If you want to err on the side of caution, then use a slightly smaller percentage return. From your own experience, you may feel this return is too high or too low. If you feel confident enough to set your own monthly return target, then go with that. Just remember, this needs to be a realistic and achievable target. Now we know how much money you want to make per month, and we have a realistic value for our return on capital per month, we can use these two figures to calculate how much money we need to start trading. We simply divide the amount of money we are aiming to make per month by the percentage return we feel is realistic and achievable. Let's say, for example, we wanted to make £1,000 per month and we felt 5% was a realistic monthly return. We would do 1,000 divided by 0.05 and that equals 20,000. So we would need a starting capital of £20,000 to make the monthly profit target of £1,000 by returning 5% per month on our capital. I have made a little calculator to work this out for you if needed. The link to it is in the description below. Feel free to play around with the numbers. This should give you the ballpark figure you'll need to make the money you want to make from trading. Before we finish, I think it's also worth mentioning that if you are brand new to trading, that you won't be profitable from the get-go. It can take years to get to the stage where you are making consistent profits on a monthly basis. If you already have some capital saved up for trading, I would recommend putting some money aside to pay for your trading tuition. This can come in many forms. You may want to pay a mentor and learn what you need to that way, or you may just want to get stuck in, start learning and making mistakes as you go. Whichever way you decide to develop yourself as a trader, it's going to cost money, and it's worth budgeting for that if you can. I hope you have found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to drop a like on it. If you have any questions or you want me to cover any other topics in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you very much again, and I hope you all have a good trading week.